Hi, my name is Ciro, and I'm here in India to make the real Italian pizza. I've started this brand in 2020 in Chennai, and now we have branches all over the South India for now. So Chennai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad, and Vizag, and maybe soon also Coimbatore is coming. So what is special about our pizza? That is a real Italian pizza made by an Italian chef. I'm from Rome. And we have two different styles of pizza. One is Napoletana, that is fluffy and is stretched by hand. Another one is Romana, that is we stretch with a rolling pin and is thin and crispy. And we have two different sizes, one is medium and one is large. And both the pizza have two different kind of preparation. One requires 20 to 40 hours, another one 5 hours. So all the ingredients we use, mostly there are some, we search it locally, like the vegetables, and all the meats that come from abroad, from Italy. Olive oil, we have truffle, and we have very good ingredients. And anyway, you have to come and try the pizza to know for yourself the difference between our pizza and the other pizzas. So for now we have 12 branches. Today I'm going to make a non-vegetarian, is Inferno, that means hell in Italian, and is a pizza with Italian sausages, bacon and pepperoni. So this is a top non-vegetarian pizza. Then for who doesn't eat pork, we have chicken Vesuvio, that is with basil and a smoked chicken. That is very nice. Yeah. Then we have many vegetarians pizza, and also we have two kind of pizza with different colors. One is rossa, one is bianca. The rossa is with tomato sauce, and the bianca is just with cheese, without tomato sauce. So we have different ingredients that goes with the bianca, like mushroom. Sometimes goes better without the tomato, and some other ingredients. And sometimes it's better to mix it, like truffle oil is good with the bianca. And some other ingredients that go better with the tomato. So we have a tomato base or not tomato base. We do some pasta also, fettuccine, penne, spaghetti, bianca and rossa, and crostini and garlic bread. We have gelato also, we just introduced.